Everybody was wonderful. Very easy to understand. The learning environment was absolutely wonderful. It's my second time taking the course, and it was much needed review and much more inclusive information and skills that I'll certainly use. Hands-on is excellent. The numerous skill stations, a excellent instructor to student ratio. 1 to 2, 1 to 3 was absolutely remarkable as to how much time we had. It's going to make throughput process a whole lot easier, knowing that I don't have to wait on ultrasound either to come in or to clinically utilize the ultrasound in order to make diagnostic approaches.
And what would you say to somebody who is considering attending the course?
It was worth every penny.